Hey, let me show you best camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy A57 for the best videos and photos. First of all, let's start from the best photos. Select the photo mode, click on this button and make sure that you are gonna use 3:4 aspect ratio. This will actually give you the best quality on your photos, and also when you click on this button, you will enable the 50 megapixel mode. As you can see right now, it is active, and you will also get more details on your photo. But there's one thing: when you turn to the 50 megapixel mode, you cannot use ultra wide angle. So keep this in your mind. And also, when you go here, what we can find some options. So the brightness level, the lighting condition are actually essential for the photos. You can adjust them in the two ways. First, when there is too dark, you can click on the screen and now move this sun icon into the right side or the left side if you want to actually decrease because, for example, there's too much light. Or the second option, you can go here and you can adjust exposure manually from -2 into the +2. We can also reset with this button. When you go for the settings of your camera, there's also a few things that we can change. Like, for example, you can get shot suggestions, so it will use AI to give you some, base information about the photos, how we can actually improve the specific shot. And also, there's the scene detection that will automatically adjust the color and the contrast of the photos to match that scene. It's also recommended to keep the auto HDR. And right now, what you can also do for taking the photos, you can enable some filters. So if you want to change how the photo looks, you can do this by picking one of this filter. And now let's move for videos. When you go here, it's highly recommended to get highest resolution, like for example the 4K, but it only works in the 30 frames per second. And also, like with the 50 megapixel mode, you cannot use ultra wide angle camera. So remember about this one. And here we can also even turn on the super steady mode. So like I said before, for the photos, the lighting condition are essential, but here for videos, stabilization and also lighting condition. And as you can see, I cannot turn on the flashlight because my battery is too low, but if you are in the bad lighting condition, you can even turn on the flashlight. And this is actually everything. This is the best settings to get the best quality on the photos on this device.